This is the full automatic steel ball production process. We use high carbon steel rod as raw material. The material is cut cold, headed into steel ball blanks. All burr, RS and flashes are removed after forming. Then the balls enter the induction heating furnace. Medium frequency heating, quenching and tempering are completed automatically. Heat treatment improves hardness and wear resistance. Internal stress is fully eliminated after precision grinding and strict quality inspection. All qualified steel balls are cleaned and anti-rust processed. The whole line is energy saving, high efficiency and stable quality.